What's going on, peeps? How's it going? Long time no see. As you can see, I am in a garage, my parents' garage. I recently got into woodworking. I am on my very first project. I was kind of thinking of not really vlogging this, but I guess vlogging it, but it'd be something to actually put on my YouTube channel because I haven't, put anything on there in over a year. But what I'm working on is just like I said, I'm just starting out. I've never done woodworking before. I've dabbled in construction a little bit, mainly drywall. So, I'm already well into this project. It's almost built, but I figured might as well start now, let you guys know what's going on. I'm doing a nightstand. It's pretty basic nightstand. Hopefully I will have many projects to come. Like I said, this is my very, very first one woodworking. So bear with me for any mistakes, because I'm sure there's going to be a few. So far, I'm actually pretty pleased with it. So I guess let me show you. Let me flip this shit around or not. So yeah, right now I just put this, I guess, support in, whatever. So it's drying right now. But let's see. Bear with me. But yeah, this is it. Again, just starting out, and this is my parents' place, so it's not like a actual real workshop or anything, but I'm fairly pleased with it. I still got to build that other X on this side here, and sand it, stain it, poly it, but I'm fairly pleased with it. I got, like I said, a few little things. Hopefully I can get that sanded out, and little high right there, but I think for my very first woodworking project, it ain't too awful bad. Well, I got it done. I got the build done. I still need to sand it and fully sand it. I've got like one sanding done. I got to fully sand it, stain it, and poly it. But yeah, the build is completely done. Oh, and Rook. Suck it. What's going on, peeps? It's the next day. I really wish I could hold this with my left hand. Maybe I can. It's the next day. I am now in my garage, not my parents'. Like I was saying yesterday, the build is done. So all I have is sanding, staining, and poly. So I can do that all at my house. I don't need any power tools or anything. My dad's got all the power tools. This is it. Ugh. Didn't turn out too awful bad. I was pretty impressed with my angles and stuff. My 45s. Hopefully all this crap clears up. This is wood putty. Hopefully that'll clear up when I sand it or something. I don't know. Give you guys kind of an idea on what I want to do with this woodworking YouTube thing. I think with this project, since I'm almost done, I'm just going to put this in one entire video. From when I started to finish. I'm just going to put that in one video, but when I do my next builds, it's going to be kind of a step-by-step. I already kind of went through that a little bit. So I think I'm gonna do a daily, not necessarily a daily, but I'm gonna record what I did that day. You know, it might be 2-3 times a week or whatever, however many times in a week that I work on new projects. But it's gonna be one video per day I work on said project. So with that out of the way. So I sanded it down to, I used 80 grit up to 120, up to 220. So 3 different sandpapers. So I'm down to 220. It's looking pretty nice. Looking pretty, it's upside down right now because, yeah. But it's looking fairly nice. Again, not too bad, I don't think, for my first time. But so what I'm about to do is stain it, which makes me kind of nervous. Never really stained before. But yeah, I'm gonna use, that's why it's upside down. I'm gonna use that area, the underneath, right there. Yeah. I'm gonna use that to figure out what the fuck I'm doing. So I think I'm gonna stain it and poly it, and I'll show you guys what the finished product looks like. Probably not gonna get done with this today, so probably pick it up again tomorrow. Well, boys and girls, I have it done. I put a gray, kind of a gray stain on there, and 3 coats of poly. She's done. Look at that! Look at that gloss. You can see the. Yeah. But she's all done. She's so shiny. Woo. But yeah, that was my first build ever in woodworking. I think it turned out pretty good. I never messed with angles before, but I did pretty good on my angles, I think, anyway. But yeah, it's 2 foot tall. The top shelf is 16 by 16. Oh my God. Top shelf is 16 by 16, and it's got 2 shelves. It's simple, but I just wanted to mess around with it to see if I liked woodworking, and so far I still love it. I've already got my next project all picked out. So this video is going to be just a single video, because I was basically almost done building it by the time I started doing videos for it. So I'm just going to make this build one video, but my next videos for woodworking are going to be kind of a step-by-step thing, step-by-step / vlog on building said piece, which I think should be fun. And again, I'm a very beginning woodworker, so whatever. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for hopefully many woodworking projects in the future. This is my garage, by the way. We just got this shelf right today. This one right here. My boy's crying. Just got that shelf today. I'm hoping right here to build kind of a table saw workstation kind of down the road. But hopefully that'll pan out. That's going to be a lot of money. But I'll build that, and I'll probably video that too. So yeah, like I said, hopefully you guys liked the video. It's good to be back. It's been a while. Yeah, like the video, subscribe, guys, if you haven't already, and I will see you guys later.